Hey friends, it's Christy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a little haul video for you. As you can see, it's from Lawn Fawn from their surprise November release, which took place earlier this month. And I've got some really fun things to show you guys. And I thought I would start with the box this time because I don't always get a box. It really depends on what you order. But I got one this time, and it's so much fun when you do. This barely fits on my screen, but when you open it up, you get all of this paper grass packing your little items down there. And this is so much fun. I actually always save this, so I reuse it in my kids' Easter baskets every year. And then also, I recently donated a bunch to a friend who volunteers at a rabbit sanctuary, and she used it for different baskets for a raffle to raise money. And I think I'm going to save this one for some holiday gifts because the green, I think, goes really nicely for Christmas. So I can put that in some gift bags or, you know, even in just some boxes covering little gifts and things. So yeah, always super fun when you get this. And then on the inside, the box says, "Thank you for being awesome. Seriously, you're the best," which is super fun that they do that. And I love the beautiful turquoise on the inside. So because this barely fits on my screen, I'm going to pull everything off and we'll go through everything once I've got it out of the box, okay? All right, so I've taken everything out of the box, and first up, I got my belated birthday little beaver. If you watched my previous haul video, you know that it was my birthday in September, and so I placed an order with the special code to get the special birthday set, and they just happened to be out of it. So they sent me a little note saying that they would send it at a later date, and they gave me a little discount code to use on my next order for the inconvenience, which worked out perfectly because I was able to use that discount code for this order. So it was wonderful. But I did get my little birthday beaver and the matching die, which was the special set for 2023. So I'm really excited to see what the new set is going to be for 2024. And then I also did get a little note with the person who packed my order, whose name is Kit, and just said thank you for your patience, happy belated birthday. And then I got this little sentiment, which, you know, Lawn Fawn always gives you a little freebie sentiment with your order when you place through them directly. So I got those, which I'm very excited about. Very excited to add another little party set to my collection. Next up from this brand new release, I got the Scribbled Sentiments Winter. I really liked the whimsical way that these are drawn. It almost reminds me of like a child's handwriting, which I just think is really cute, especially stamped in a fun color. I think these are going to be really nice. And it's always great to have extra sentiments for the holidays, especially for me since I stamp on both the outside and the inside of my card with a sentiment. So it's just nice to have some extras. And like I said, I really liked the scripty handwritten font, so I grabbed that. Next up, I grabbed the little snow globe bear, who is super adorable. I think this whole release is just so super cute, right up my alley. You know from my last haul video that I love snow globes because I had picked up the snow globe die set in that video. But for this one, I grabbed the little bear with the snowflakes, and we've got a little tree with a star on the top, and another sentiment that can fit inside the snow globe. There's a little hat for him, and a bunch of different sentiments. I really like this What's Shaken for shaker cards. I think that's so much fun. And this large one too, Be Good for Goodness Shake, is really fun. Super cute. I'm so excited about this. I did get the matching dies to go along, and then I also got the Reveal Wheel little snow globe bear add-on, which is going to help you die cut the inside of the snow globe out and also be able to kind of move your reveal wheel opening down lower on the card panel with this little template, which I'm very excited about. So there is that. And then also along with that, I did get the Reveal Wheel Templates Little Snow Globe Bear. So this is going to give you the templates that you need for your reveal wheel to stamp inside, to have everything placed perfectly, so it will appear right in the center of your snow globe on your scene. So really excited to play with all of this and see what fun cards I can come up with. Speaking of fun cards, the next set that I got was the Little Snow Globe Dog. And along with that, I did get the Reveal Wheel Little Snow Globe add-on for that. And I also got the templates. And because the templates are specific to this stamp set, I went ahead and just stored them right inside the little stamp pocket with my matching dies. So that is all tucked right inside because the templates and the die are specific to the shape of the snow globe here, whereas the little bear's is tipped on its side and he has the little hand in the way, so he needed his own set of templates. So I will also store these templates with this stamp set in that stamp pocket when I go ahead and move it over. This one I might store with my reveal wheel sets. I'm not sure because I think this template can be used for more than just this particular stamp set. That's something I'll have to play around with and see what other people are doing as well. But I think this is going to be more universal, whereas the templates should be more specific to this set. So I'll probably store those together. And that's how I went ahead and did it for this set. This set is already repackaged because I have already used it, and I have created this card here. So this is actually Fawny Holiday Week, if you're not familiar. It is a whole week of celebration. The entire Lawn Fawn design team and the entire Lawn Fanatics design team are going to be putting up all kinds of inspiration for you this entire week on the Lawn Fawn blog, and also videos on the Lawn Fawn YouTube channel, which I will have a video on the Lawn Fawn channel on Friday. So this card went up on Monday, and then I'll have another card for Holiday Week on Friday. So stay tuned for that. I can't show you that one yet. But I can go ahead and show you this one because the video is already live, but this one is featuring that little snow globe dog, and then I mixed it with Furry and Bright and some other sets, but it just has a little reveal wheel where you can turn the dial and get different images inside your snow globe, which is super, super cute. I really had so much fun playing with this stamp set, and it was really easy to use as well. You guys know I've said in the past that I'm not a huge fan of interactive cards just because they're very intimidating to me, but the reveal wheel is super easy, and I don't know why I don't use it more often. I'm gonna have to start using it more often now because this just reminded me how simple it is to put together, and it packs such a nice punch for the holidays. So if you missed that video, this one is on my YouTube channel. This is my Holiday Card Series Day 4, and then I will have another one on Friday on both the Lawn Fawn YouTube channel and my own, and that will be my Holiday Card Series Day 5. So next up I got the poinsettia background stencils. I believe this is a 3-piece stencil that's going to give you a really beautiful poinsettia background. Let's see if it says on the back. Yeah, 3. You can see there's 3 right there. So you have the floral, you have the leaves, and then you have like the layering parts of the flowers. So very excited to play with this, especially since I just got that waffle flower grip mat that is going to be perfect for stencils. So I can't wait to try those out and see what kinds of cool like custom pattern papers I can make. So very excited about that. And then that is everything that was actually from that surprise release, because it was a mini release, but I did get a few other things. I got a new Lawn Fawn stamp chamois. Mine is getting really old. I'll show you it here. It is absolutely stained black on this side. I try to use one side at a time so the back side is not as bad, but it's really getting full of ink and it's starting to kind of flake apart. I've noticed when I'm trying to clean off some of my images that it's kind of leaving behind a little bit of little, I don't know what to call them. It's not crumbs, but you know, it's just like little fibers or something. Not fibers because they're like little balls, but anyway, it's starting to leave stuff behind on my stamps, which of course will then get inked up and not give you a clean stamped image. So I needed a new one, so I went ahead and grabbed that. I'll probably try to manage with this one through the end of the year just because I like to start things fresh in the new year, and then I'll switch to this new one for 2024. So I'm excited about that. Next thing isn't super exciting, but definitely needed. I just grabbed another pack of the mini ink blending tools. I much prefer these to the brushes, although I've never really used the brushes, so I can't say from experience, but just from the look of things, I prefer a little bit of a more concentrated color, whereas the blending brushes give you a softer color. So it's just personal preference, and I just happen to really like vibrant, rich, saturated color. So I prefer these kind of tools for that. But I just like to have, you know, enough for all the colors when I'm switching out between different inks, so I don't have to keep peeling off the little foam pads. So I just grabbed another pack of those. And then I got a couple of cardstocks. So two of them are restocks, and those are the wood grain. I needed more of the dark brown and the light brown. I was getting super low on both of these, and I really love to use these for indoor scenes for the floor. In fact, did I use it on that card? I think I did, right? Oh yeah, I used the light brown one for the floor in this scene. So that was one of my last little bits, and I just really wanted to have some more of that. I don't want to run out. So I grabbed a pack of each of those. You get 5 sheets in each. And then I grabbed a pack of the chocolate bar cardstock, which is just a little bit lighter than the ground coffee that I use quite a lot. I think the ground coffee is more in this tone. And I just thought it might be nice to have something that was a little bit softer for like the winter season. So I went ahead and grabbed that. So that was everything. It's not a super big haul, but I got some things that I'm really excited about. I absolutely fell in love with this new mini release. Like you heard me say earlier, I love snow globes, and so this was totally up my alley, and I was just kind of squealing over everything. I just thought it was so super adorable. So I hope you guys are excited about it too. I did want to just mention briefly, and I always feel super awkward saying anything, but if I don't put it out there, some people might not know, but I am a Lawn Fawn affiliate. So if you ever use my links below the video, I think it's within like a week of them being posted, then I get a small commission of that sale. So if you're ever inspired by any of my cards to go ahead and purchase any Lawn Fawn products for yourself, if you could use my links down below, it's so important to do that to support your fellow crafters and the people who are trying to put out these videos for you. So not just for me, if there's other people that you see that are, you know, using links down below in their description bar, go ahead and click on those. It doesn't hurt the company at all, and it doesn't hurt you because there's no additional cost, but it just gives them a little bit of compensation for doing all that work to put out a video and, you know, trying to inspire you guys. So anyway, I just wanted to mention that. I haven't gotten any sales in quite a long time, so I thought maybe it was time to just mention it just in case there are people out there who didn't know that was a thing. So anyway, awkward moment over. I want to thank you guys so much for watching and for all your support on my channel lately. You guys have just been so amazing with the super sweet comments and watching my videos, and I just appreciate you all so, so much. I'm so grateful for this community here on my channel, and it means the world to me when you take a few extra moments out of your day to just leave me a little comment and let me know that you enjoyed something that I put out. It really validates what I'm doing here, and I can't tell you how much it means to me. So thank you so much, and I hope you all have an absolutely amazing day. Stay tuned for my Friday video on the Lawn Fawn YouTube channel. Also stay tuned for part 2 of my pattern paper mixing tutorial. So I did part 1 last week, and then part 2 was supposed to go up today, but I am going to bump it till next week just because this one was a little bit time sensitive since this release just came out. I really wanted to show you guys everything and also just share about Fawny Holiday Week since it is going on right now. So I'm going to bump that part 2 to next week, so stay tuned for that if you were enjoying that series, because a lot of you really seem to. So thank you so much again, and I will see you soon in another video. Bye-bye.